Good day everyone, let's fly 4 legs today and stay in Cebu later tonight. Kain na ako. Wow! Ang ulam natin today is nilagang baboy. Ito pag may patis at saka kalamansi at saka sili. Arrive here sa parking lot. Now let's go to the office. Magbo-board na kami. Bye! So, kakarating ko lang sa hotel room and nag-order kami ng dinner. I just woke up. We're going to get our coffee. Say hi. Hello. It's currently 32 degrees Celsius. Pero parang hindi eh. Parang 34 ata today. We're gonna go swim bago tayo pumasok later sa work. So tapos na ako mag-swim. Now it's time to rest. I will end my mini vlog here. Thanks so much guys for watching. See you guys on my next video.